The president's nominee for the nation's top banking regulator is refusing to give the U.S. Senate her thesis on Karl Marx. That's according to Republican lawmakers who are concerned about her attitude towards Marxism. But the nominee claims she's being discriminated against due to her ethnicity. NTD's Grace Coulter has the details.
Nominee for Controller of the Currency, Professor Sala Amarova, is refusing to give the Senate Banking Committee her thesis on Karl Marx. A spokesperson for Republicans on the panel told the Epoch Times that Amarova did not hand over the thesis by October 13th, the date set by Senator Pat Toomey. Toomey, the top Republican on the committee, asked Amarova earlier this month for the document and other papers she omitted from a disclosure package. It's standard practice for nominees to turn in complete disclosure packages. But in a recent interview with the Financial Times, Amarova claimed she's being held to a different standard because she's from Kazakhstan, which was part of the Soviet Union when she was born. Amarova told the outlet she's an easy target, an immigrant, a woman, a minority, and said she's easy to demonize and vilify. When asked if some of the criticism against her was racist, Amarova said yes. The Republican spokesperson responded to her comments saying, "What a classic response from the extreme left. When they can't defend their bad ideas, they resort to accusing critics of being racist misogynists." Toomey's expressed that his opposition to Amarova stems from her ideas and policy proposals, not her background. He previously listed examples such as Amarova's positive comments about aspects of the Soviet Union and her support for ending private banking. Amarova's views have also raised concerns from Senator John Tester, a key Democrat on the Banking Committee. Grace Coulter, NTD News.